Good day friends, welcome back to Sonia Space. This is a quick video of me showing you how to make turmeric and honey soap bars using mint and pour soap base. This soap is a perfect delight and is perfect for acne prone skin, sensitive skin, and for blemish free skin. This is an inexpensive soap that can be reformulated to your liking for gifting, your own business, as well as personal use. First, you need to grate your soap to make it easy for your soap to melt. And after which you go ahead and melt your soap using the double boiler method, and after that you go ahead and add your items. So follow along as I will be showing you the step-by-step process on how I was able to make my honey and turmeric soap. So in a bowl I added 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon almond oil, about 20 drops of jojoba oil, about 10 drops of lemon oil, about 10 drops of grapeseed oil, and then about a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I stirred it all together to make a smooth paste, then added it to my melted soap. So I want to thank you for stopping by and watching my video. So please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, and keep watching. So to the mold I'm using, I sprayed on it some alcohol to prevent bubbles from forming in the soap. So this is my honey and turmeric soap bars that is perfect for acne, that is perfect for a blemish-free skin. You know, it is a perfect delight. This turmeric and honey bar soap also has good lightening and brightening properties. So if you want to have an even tone on your skin, then this soap is perfect for you. And also this soap lathers very well. So friends, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So have a nice day. Bye bye and God bless.